What up, guys? Eric here with Mountain Movers. Hope y'all having a beautiful day. A lot of work before us here on this one. We're going to be doing some pressure washing, some painting, some deck repair on this deck here, and then as well on the house. We're just going to be replacing some of these decking boards and replacing some of the rails that are damaged. This entire place has got to be painted, but before we can do that, we're going to be doing some pressure washing on the deck and then some replacing of some of these boards. For instance, see where it's rotting there. Brick molding up there, got to have it off. This board here. So lots to do here, guys. I'm going to get on it. Got to make a store trip, always fun. Let me get to it and I'll show you guys when we're done. You can check it out. Alrighty, guys, another piece that I had to replace here. Somebody had attempted this once before, but what they put in was this 2x4, and you can see just how bowed this thing became. Wow. It'd be perfect if you wanted a circle. Not exactly what we're looking for. So unfortunately, I don't have any of these cedar boards, and neither does Lowe's or Home Depot. So I'm ripping down these decking boards and using them to fit. They're 5.5. This is like 4 inches, I think. This job consisted of basically a lot of rot repair. You can see this white brick molding that we had to install. Same thing with this window here. Had to replace this as well. A couple of these other skirt boards. Nothing too crazy. We out here finishing this porch, same porch that we pressure washed the other day. The porch itself, the deck boards are going to be one color, and the railings are going to be a separate. This is kind of a darker red, kind of brownish mix. A couple of these rails were rotted out. I had those replaced. I patched a couple of boards, such as this one here, and then we had to replace just about this whole top piece of this rail due to rot. All right, guys, here we go. Got this thing completed just in time. I apologize for the low light conditions. The sun is going down on us. If this had taken, man, 15 to 20 more minutes than what it did, we would be in complete darkness trying to get this thing complete. I know it stinks that it's hard to see, but just happy with this thing myself. Turned out pretty well. I know you guys can't see jack, but I did get some good video footage before we got this thing completed all the way, and while we still had some sunlight, so I'll edit that in so you can still get a pretty good idea. As well as I got to come back also to paint the exterior of the home, and I'll be taking some video then as well, so I'll add some of that in. But man, this thing looks great.